All right, I'm super excited to share this video with you and share the information inside this video with you because it's going to help solve your money problems. So I know there's a lot of people out there that are looking to make money online or looking to make money, looking to create a side hustle, create passive income, and we have a solution for that. We have a solution that we've been sharing with people for the last several years, and it works. It works for all the people that you see. It works for anybody that implements it, but you see all these testimonials and screenshots and results from people on this page. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you see dozens of other testimonials from real people. So this is the solution that we want to point you to, because this is what's going to help you create passive income. It's simple, it's scalable, it's sustainable. It's something that's been around for a long time. It's something that's going to continue to be around for a long time and just works. So we want to move you towards this solution because there's so much opportunity around what we do and teach, and there's just not going to be, there's not that many people doing it on the whole planet, and there's never going to be a lot of people on the planet. So it's a beautiful thing. There's so much opportunity, millions and millions of dollars, and opportunities out there to be made with promoting different brands, products, and services. And there's just not enough ambassadors out there, people out there doing what we do and teach to promote these brands. So they're desperately in need of people just like you to go out there and promote their brands and products and services. And so I made this little chart here to kind of reverse engineer all of your money concerns, because we just want to help to get this information in as many hands as possible, and we want to just shatter any objections that you have. Most people's two main objections are time and money. So we want to walk you through how you can achieve, get to this level to where you have this skill that we want to get in your hands, that we want to equip you with, and how you can get to that level, whether you have some, enough to invest in the program, whether you have just a little bit of money, or whether you have no money at all, or you're just not resourceful. We want to help walk you through how you can stair-step your way up to this end result so that we can equip you with this skill, this information, so you can go out there, make money, change your life. So we got this little guy over here. He says he wants to make money online. He's looking to make money. Awesome. If you have $1,000, that's the price of the program. You can invest in SEO. And why this is just such a simple no-brainer is once you earn your investment back in the program, we pay you your full investment back. So all the people that you see on this page have not only made their money back, they've made their investment back, but they also earn their investment back because they got results. They went out there and implemented what they learned. They got results with it, and then they shot a testimonial video to encourage others to invest in the same program. And for that, we give you your investment back. So there's dozens of stories, success stories, and testimonials that you can see on this page of this information working for other people. So it's not just me, it's not just the creator, I curated all this information and it's working for me, but if other people can take the same blueprint and go out there and get results, then it works for anybody that's willing to do that. So that's where we ultimately want to get you, because we want to, again, equip you with this skill so that we can have as big of a trained affiliate army as possible. So there's just more people out there doing this so that we can help more people. And it's a win-win-win situation. As you're helping these brands, you're helping get their message out, you're helping get their product in front of more people, you're making money, and you're helping connect people that are looking for these solutions that these brands and vendors have to offer. So it's a win-win-win. Nobody loses. And so if you have $1,000, cool, invest in this. Take your time going through it. There's no timeline on when you have to make your money back. If you don't make it, back in 30 days, it's not like we're not going to give you your investment back. Some people take as much as 1 to 2 years. And I want to be very clear that those are people that have they were slow in going through the information, slow in implementing. Most people that go through the information and start implementing it tend to make their investment back in about 90 days or less. Some take as much as 6 months, but most people make their entire investment back in as little as, usually the benchmark is about 90 days or less. So it doesn't take a long time if you actually implement what you learn. This is simple stuff. This is very, very simple information, and we just want to equip you with that so you can change your life. So you'll have a blueprint. You'll have a process to follow that can help you make money whenever you need it. So if you have $1,000, cool. If you don't, but you have at least 200. We've got another product for you called Credit Secrets Mini Masterclass. These are the tools and the resources that I used over the years for leverage because I didn't make a lot of money either. And so this is going to show you how to go out there, and it's going to teach you a lot about credit and your credit score and just how to manipulate those things, your score, your credit limits, and teach you about loans and personal loans and peer-to-peer loans and stuff, and how to, you don't have to use all those resources, but I've used all that. So that's I learned all of what I'm going to teach inside of this training through experience. This isn't something that I learned from reading a book or a YouTube video or another course. In fact, I don't think you're going to ever find this information in any of those other types of media resources or whatever. And so the purpose of this is to equip you with and show you where to go get tools for leverage so that you can scale your marketing efforts, or in this case, just get started. So if you don't have the $1,000, it's not that difficult at all to go get approved for a credit card or credit cards or a personal loan. And if you don't have great credit, we're going to show you how to move some things around to get it so that your credit looks better, so you can get approved for more credit. And then once you have that, you can go get the course, and then you can use those same credit cards for the budget for the tools and resources you'll need to implement the strategies that I teach inside of SEOAD. And it's not that expensive. You don't have to have like $50,000 or anything like that. It's a very I try to keep the tools down to a very small minimum. Most people can get started and get results for just a couple $100. $1,000 or less is a very good amount to start with. So we're not talking about gobs and gobs of money, but we just want to give you solutions for all these objections that you have around money. Because again, I was where you are. I've been where you are. Whether you have money, whether you have a little bit of money, or whether you have no money at all, I've been in all those places. But if you have no money or just a little bit of money, you may have never been where I am now, and we want to help get you there. We want to share with you these tools and resources to help get you there, to help equip you so that you no longer have those excuses. So if you have $200, awesome. Invest in this offer. It'll help you get the resources to invest in this and change your life. And again, once you do, you can use the money that you have coming in to pay back whatever credit you took out, or loans or whatever. And again, remember, once you earn your investment back, you're going to get the full investment back too. So that's going to help cover any kind of little interest payments or whatever that you have on these cards or whatnot. And if you have $0, or if you're not very resourceful, if you don't have a job, whatever, you don't know where to get one, we've even got a solution for those kinds of people because we want to help as many people as possible. Again, those are just lies in your head that you're not resourceful, you can't, there's no money out there for you, there's no jobs, blah blah blah. Yes, there are. There's so many opportunities out there, even for shy, introverted people that are not good at resumes and interviews and all that stuff. I wasn't good at all those things either, and a lot of these resources didn't exist when I got started a couple years ago, so they exist now. But I share with you 7 simple side hustles in this this free little opt-in offer here. If you just enter your email address, and I'm going to give you 7 simple solutions to help you go out there and start making money today. A lot of these resources, they can make you as much as $100 or more per day. Some people use them as their full-time gigs and side hustles, full-time jobs, but you can definitely make $100 very quickly on the side. You could do that in a day, you can do that in a week, you can do a couple $100 in a month. Basically, the whole goal of this information, this free information here, is to get you some cash flow, to get you some money, so that you can then invest in Credit Secrets Mini Masterclass. You can get the $200 to invest in that, and then once you do that, it's going to equip you with the knowledge and information to go out there and get credit, to then afford SEOAD, and then you can use the skills that you learn in SEO to then create passive income for yourself, to then pay back your credit, and then bam, you're in the positive. So just wanted to walk you through that. So basically, we've solved all your money problems if you trust us. You know, there's always people like the people that want to make money out there. They always have an excuse. It's either time or money. And this is this solution. This is just one of many little recipes, but I wanted to show you how simple it is to get past some of those objections that you have. You know, we basically solved your problem if you go through this process. So if you're looking to make money and you don't have time or money or whatever, you have time but you don't have money, whatever, or you have the money, cool, invest in it. If you don't have it, invest in this, but you have a little bit. If you have nothing, start here. And the cool thing about getting to this level, which I mean, this can, you know, if you're starting at 0 but you have a smartphone and or maybe a automobile or whatever, and you use some of the 7 simple side hustle solutions that we have, you can make a couple $100s in just 24 to 48 hours or so, very quickly. And then you get this information here, and then that'll give you thousands of dollars, and you know, depending on which route you go, maybe tens of thousands of dollars, which not only is going to give you money but can free up your time too. So whether if you don't have a job or you have a job but you hate it and you want to do what we're teaching here full time, then I've used credit in the past. I've used loans in the past, peer-to-peer lending and stuff in the past to just cancel out my job and buy myself the time to implement the stuff that you're going to be learning inside of SEO. So you can do the same thing as well. So money, once you have money, it cancels out just cancels out your money and your time issues, because you're basically trading your time for money at your job. So if you have money, then you don't need to go to that job anymore. And you know, if you got $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 deposited into your bank account, then for most people that's probably what you make at your job anyway. So basically, you just bought yourself many months to implement this information. And if you just do it even like part-time or whatever, not even full-time, but if you definitely treat it like a job, and put in like 8 hours plus a day, because you now have time, you're going to make back your money in this stupidly short amount of time. So anyway, the whole goal of this presentation, this training, this video, is to kind of reverse engineer some of these objections that you have around time and money, and provide solutions so that you no longer have those as excuses anymore. Because again, I just want to remind you, I've been where you are, whether you have some money, whether you have a little bit of money, whether you have no money at all, whether you have negative money, and we want to show you, present some solutions to you to get out of that situation, so that you can get ahead and, you know, build these passive streams of income coming in, and just live the life you want, live that, you know, passive income internet life, you know, freedom lifestyle that you want so badly, that you see from others. This is how I've achieved it. This is how I've equipped other people, dozens of other people, to achieve it as well. And I want that same sort of lifestyle for you as well. So this is how to do it. So again, just kind of a quick recap. If you're looking to make money online, if you have $1,000, awesome. Most people really do. They're resourceful, and hopefully walking you through this will help give you the confidence. You know, we just come up with excuses, but most people are resourceful enough to scrape together $1,000 to change your life if they really want that something pretty bad. And again, it's a no-brainer if you're serious, if you really want this for yourself, because once you make your money back, we give it back. So we're basically just holding it until you take action, which is not going to take you very long to make your money back. We even have a referral program, so you just refer like 2 or 3 people, boom. That's a super simple way. It's a free way. We even show you free strategies inside of our affiliate training that shows you how to do that. So you don't even have to implement what you learn in the actual course to make your money back. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. And then if you have at least you want to make money, but you don't have 1,000. Maybe you've got at least a couple hundred, 200 or whatever. You can invest in Credit Secrets Masterclass. You're halfway there. As soon as you go through this video, it's not going to take you but like an hour and a half or so. As soon as you go through this video, you can implement what you learn immediately and probably get approved within just a couple of minutes, a couple of clicks of a button, of thousands of dollars in credit. It's awesome. And then if you have $0 or you're just not resourceful, you don't know, you don't have a job, you don't know how to get a job, blah, 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 then you can check out some of these 7 simple side hustles. It's not going to cost you anything. All you need is an email address. And once you implement, you can just pick one of these. All of them work, but you can just implement one of these. Make the couple $100s that you need to afford this, and then use the information that you learn inside of Credit Secrets to invest in this. Implement what you learn in SEO, cancel out your investment. Boom, now you're in the green, and then you can just keep doing what you've learned inside of SEO to build up to the passive income level that you want to feel comfortable. So it's pretty simple. Hopefully all this information makes sense. Hopefully you got a lot of value in this, and now you've got a clear path, path of action to take, depending on where you sit financially. If you have the money to invest in it, invest in it. Take your time. There's no time limit on when you have to make your investment back. If you don't quite have that amount to invest in it, cool. Invest in Credit Secrets. Implement what you learn. It's very fast and simple to implement what you learn in that, to get you the resources to invest and level up in SEO. And if you have $0, or you think you have $0, you're not resourceful, you're just plain stupid, then just invest in the free little offer here, and then work your way up this little ladder. So hope you got some value out of this video, and we look forward to seeing you inside of SEO